Riu iri thiku ya gatano kuma bururi wa Russia utharikire bururi wa Ukraine kuria makiria ma andu 64 marerikana gukorwo makuite, andu makiria ma 65,000 kugurara na andu matanyiheire 400,000 makirikana gwithara kuma bururi-ini wa Ukraine. Tharikira ino ikiinainia mabururi ma thi yothe. Bururi-ini wa Kenya makiria mwena wa Gicua-ini moruru matharikira ici ni maronekana kuiguika Ruhonge-ini rwa ugendi guku kaunti ya Mbaara, Kwale, Kilifi na Taita Taveta, na iria ikoretwo iri kiguciririo kia agendi kuma bururi-ini wa Ukraine ikigea na igutha inene kuona ndege igiri cia imwe kwa imwe kuma bururi-ini wa Ukraine iria ikoretwo ikirehe agendi maita meri o kiumia kuhetukira ngirimiti ya uiguano gatagati-ini ka kaunti ya Mbaara na muci wa Odessa bururi-ini wa Ukraine.
Wageni walikuwa wanakuja na charter flight walifaa kuja mara 2 kwa wiki, but walikuwa shaanza mara moja flight kutoka Odessa, Ukraine. Na hii ndege ilikuwa nakuja na watalii 193 ama 190. Na hao watalii walikuwa nalala Diani na Mombasa pia. Wengine walikuwa naenda safari. So wakiwa hapa for 1 week ulipata kwamba kuna pesa inazunguka kwa economy. But sasa hatuna hiyo ndege, haiwezi kuja because tuko na hiyo vita inaendelea.
Na kuona ruhonge rwa ugendi ni rumwe rwa honge iria ciahutirio na njira nene ni moruru ma murimu wa COVID-19. Anyiti itemi ruhonge-ini ruru ni makoretwo makirutaniria hari kwarahura ugendi wa bururi.
Actually is a dent because we were just starting to actually come from the COVID-19, and this is an emerging market.
Anyiti itemi ruhonge-ini rwa ugendi makiuga riri ni igutha rinene kuri wonjoria wa bururi.
It's an important partner. It's an important country for Mombasa, and we do hope that this problem will be resolved as soon as possible.
Agendi aria mangikorwo makwamite guku bururi-ini ni marateithiririo ni ubarothi wa bururi wa Ukraine. Riu anyiti itemi aya ni mari na mwihoko kihonia gia kuhorohia na kunina mbaara icio ni gikuonekana na niguo agendi kuma bururi-ini wa Ukraine na mabururi mangi ma Ngeretha mahote gucera guku bururi-ini.
We've been seeking markets in Eastern Europe to diversify and to enhance tourism flow in Mombasa, and Ukraine was one of the countries in Eastern Europe that 2 cities actually had taken up, one of them being Kyiv, and they've been affected.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma Gicua-ini kaunti ya Mbaara, ritwa riakwa ni Ndegwa wa Gathungu.